जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है, मैं दिन प्रतिदिन एक वीडियो बनाता रहता हूँ अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए। तो कुछ एक दिन का मेरे से एक गैप हो चुका है, जिसके कारण से मैंने खुद एक पिछली वीडियो में कहा था कि एक सप्ताह से हमारे चैनल पे कोई भी गैप नहीं है, हमने लगातार वीडियो हम पोस्ट कर रहे हैं। लेकिन अभी एक गैप आ चुका है, जिसके कारण से शायद वो कन्वेंशन वो टूट चुकी है थोड़ी सी। पर उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते हुए फिर से हम लेट कंटिन्यू इंग्लिश लेसन्स अपने इंग्लिश लेसन के ऊपर काम करेंगे। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है, एक हमने एकदम नया टॉपिक उठाया। उसका नाम है एआई आर्टिफिशियल सिस्टम। व्हाट इज़ एआई सिस्टम, व्हाट इज़ आर्टिफिशियल सिस्टम, व्हाट इज़ एआई एजेंट। इसके बारे में हम आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर हम चर्चा विचार करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का इस लेसन को। व्हाट इज़ एआई एंड व्हाट इज़ एआई टू लर्न, व्हाट इज़ एआई टू, व्हाई रीजन आर इम्पोर्टेंट टू एआई learn. AI system is a artificial intelligence system to like similar to humans brain. It like a working similar to humans brain, like humans brain a connection of a neural and transfer of information using the neuron networks. Neuron network is like a small pieces of the mind of connection that neurons that reason to communicate it and transfer the information. This something our artificial intelligence create a environment to self learn, self to ability, self to knowledge to generate the if a knowledge generate it meaning are if ask a question, ask the problem of the if given a answer optimal way, the given of answer of the thousand of the answer is the given of the best optimal solutions, it called a knowledge. If a knowledge about like a example for I am the sum of the step of the problem to solve a problem to solve like water jug problem, like a so two jug to measurement water using the two jugs. Yeah, it like of multiple of the problem, the solution are the given of the multiple of the things, like multiple of the attempts, multiple of the बहुत सा the multiple of the solution, but it focus of the optimal solution, the goal to achieve a minimum cost, minimum of the minimum of time, minimum cost, minimum of out, output are my output are my if it is or what are the reason to learn about AI artificial intelligence, that the this of the time is the time of future of AI. AI is intelligent, is more powerful for comparison of humans. The humans are cannot be stored your knowledge is long of the time. The humans or of the output are the generate to take a so very long of time. The uh, so long time the optimal solution to think about the problem to solve a, a multiple of time. The new thing the adapt, like a new thing adapt. If English to learn is a problem, if English to learn the problem, the adaptation of the some of the a multiple of time, but AI artificial intelligence is a multiple of the language to meaning with grammatical rules to knowledge to grab a given a answer like example like Google Translation is a AI system. The AI system is Google Translation is a multiple of the knowledge of the languages with grammars and given a some translation of the word or the meaning in multiple of the language. If a reason to use a AI artificial intelligence that time the the something of the one question of the similar can be artificial intelligence replace only humans like a same the chat of the convocation can be replaced the AI artificial intelligence something of the all are the possible of the output and the comments are your suggestion are given please if if about of the what is importance of the AI artificial intelligence of some of the point of describe the first of the point of productivity. The productivity meaning is a AI artificial intelligence of the some work of I'm tasked to given of AI artificial system to make a PDF or make resume the fastly and optimal the given given a like image to generate a infographics image to generate into like a sum of the particular of the company if a comparison of humans if generate into 2 hours 3 minutes between in productivity level is a solve of the problem of the speed like kitni speed how much of the time of the solve a problem it called a productivity level is something of the second or third point is the use of AI system time management. The time management is a so of the important is every of a company use AI in time management. The in company a minimal of the time um, minimal of the time maximum of the output of the generate the minimum of the time are given multiple of solution the multiple of the problem to solve is a AI से helps is cost saving like a AI I am something are you a company like imagine a one a company the company like content writer the content writer job is of a company if something are a 10 and 11% to work in write of a content the daily of a content write and the same of the work same of the work 10 of the person the productivity level of the 10 of person equal to one AI artificial intelligence system. What are the prefer of the one AI artificial intelligence or one 10 or 11 employee of it. The 10 of the 11 employees cost of a 15,000 to paid in every month. But AI artificial intelligence to buy a by subscription are a paid version that only provide some of the much of some less of much of the like 1,000 and 2,000 of rupees is pay in into monthly. The something are a Swift always are AI system in company is a helpful. It it a big of the reason of AI of the shift of multiple of person in real world of the problem, the AI artificial system, the comparison of humans, the ideas of generate of the real world problem to solve a use. The real world problem like a something are a big of the problem, big of problem are a multiple of the field of the IT backgrounds are non-IT backgrounds and uh, education finance. It is a problem to solve a use a artificial system. The artificial system like a math, the education level are a math problem like a complex of the math problems and IT field like a coding are generate to some of the error of solve the use a AI artificial system. Optimal what is optimal result? Optimal result is the best of result. The a, solve a the given of a output on the AI system. The output of given like something of a prompt to given and convert into Hindi language to convert the any of how much of the language to convert that and given of the output of the solution is optimal is optimal called that is a similar to like a English translation to meaning similar to Hindi translation. The both of the meaning is a equal to the any how much of a no mistake it is the what is a better performance. The better performance like a the given of AI system is better is the called the a solution or a provide is a optimal. The knowledge base the the knowledge base your previous of the previous of a solution and outcome, the previous of solution or outcome and your mistake to analyze your mistake to analyze and the thinking about uh, only history of action and base the some they cannot be repeat multiple of the time of the same mistake and given of the solution. It better of solution of the previous of solution that called a better better improvement